Hi guys, this is Sujata and you're watching GrammarENG, English grammar for ESL students. Trim up your vocabulary. Today we are going to see a new English word with its meaning. The word we are going to deal is stymie. 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 Do you know what is the meaning for this word stymie? The verb stymie means to obstruct or hinder. Stymie means to obstruct or hinder. It means to prevent somebody from doing something that he or she has planned or want to do. If you are stymied by something, you find it very difficult to take action or to continue what you are doing because somebody is hindering it. Look at this example. Constantly texting with your friend will stymie your effort to finish your homework. Constantly texting with your friend will hinder your effort to finish your homework. Will obstruct your effort to finish your homework. Hope you have enjoyed this video. If you find this video informative, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.